Hey everyone, it's Val, and so I just scratched myself with my nails. So for today's video,
we're going to be doing like a satisfying
me and Lauren,
and we are literally adding layers of like this cotton stuff.
Me and Lauren made this slime. Her name
Beast right now.
Gloria. If you guys remember her, yeah. This is her. We're like literally like getting
everything ready. We're getting everything ready to put into Gloria. She's having surgery right now.
Yeah, she's having surgery.
She's relaxing because we added 2 layers already.
We added a lot of this.
Probably gonna add it like right here.
I know.
It's gonna be so crunchy. So basically, Gloria is crunchy slime with that is purple. Lilac.
Oh, you're not supposed to videotape like that. You're supposed to videotape like that.
Okay. I videotape.
No, because in the videos, your video is going to be like that. It's not going to be like turned when you turn it.
Okay.
Okay.
Right now we're working hard. We got all of this stuff.
My eye hurts. Do I have something? We literally have so much.
Dude, you have big chunks.
I know I do.
Look at mine.
Does your eye hurt, but like it doesn't hurt that much?
No. Okay, so we both have like a plate full of this stuff.
Did I already show them my plate? I don't know, but if I did, I'm gonna show you guys again. This is how mine looks. I'm just like crunching out the big ones because I have big chunks. Say hi.
So we're both vlogging right now, you guys.
This is not vlogging, Lauren.
Or making a video.
Oh wow, this was a big one. Look at that.
On the floor.
Dude, there's so much on the floor. Look at all this. The things you do to make Gloria happy. Dude, my eye hurt. I don't know why. Why is it facing me? It should be facing you, Lauren.
Jeez, no.
Oh, it's because it's actually on videotape. Dude, I really want to do a house tour, but our house is like kind of messy, but not that messy. Get me?
Dude, you know you're so late.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's my plate.
I'm gonna do a house tour, guys. If you guys can't see that.
There's a lot. Okay. So basically I'm just gonna make them into smaller pieces.
Okay, I'm gonna dump it in now.
So we're gonna dump it in, so hold on. Gotta get that on videotape. It's on video.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. That's gotta be at least 1 layer. Alright. Are you gonna videotape me? Alright, Valerian. Flatten it out.
No.
Don't push it that hard.
Dude, that is so pretty.
Alright, Valeria, can you?
No, I can't. Sorry.
Make sure it's.
I need to get that too. Oh my gosh. There's so much.
All right,
Ouch.
we've got to do this. I'm doing the first one. I'm doing the first.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to poke down. I'm really hoping I'm getting this.
Okay, my turn.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is. Wait. We have to fly in and out.
This is so satisfying.
Okay.
Okay, so
What if we become on the satisfying thing? Okay, so this part is yours, and this part's yours, and this is mine.
all right, so we're gonna poke them. We're hurting Gloria, but this is the cost of being a beautiful slime.
Oh my gosh.
So
You were in the slime already.
This is so nice.
Okay, be quiet so they can get ASMR.
I'm just gonna.
Here, I have an idea. Wait, stop.
This is nice.
Stop. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Move all this. Okay, and we're gonna put the cameras right here. Camera right here. Here, put your thing. No, right here. Ooh, it's better right here. It's better right here, dude. You should do it up here, right here. Can you see?
Yeah.
But I can't see. Here. Dude, I can't. Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I'm really hoping I'm getting it on tape. This is so crunchy.
That's it.
You got more than
I know.
I'm getting this on camera. It's very crunchy. How about we both get half and half?
This is half and half. Wait.
No, of the slime, like forever. Instead, like, of switching it off.
You don't have the container though.
So I could get it back.
I thought this was our BFF sound.
It is. Hold on, let me see. Roll yours into a ball. Let's see if it's even.
If this is not ASMR to you, I don't know who you are.
This is a little bit bigger. Hey!
Here, slow yours down, all the way down, and then put mine down.
Yeah, you have more. Just to give me a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, there.
Okay, so I'm basically just like picking up all the extra bits.
Yeah. Dude, I think we put a little too much. What is yours gonna be named? Because we didn't really want Gloria.
Probably I don't know. This feels weird. This is like the weirdest slime.
So this is
the final result of
our slime, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm literally going to look at this probably every single day. I don't know, but yeah, that was our slime.
So yeah. Make sure